What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, EDC videos, then you have come to the right place. Today, our unboxing first impressions of our October company for Year of the Beard, Iowa Beard Company. So I have never used anything from Iowa Beard Company, so this will be a first for me. So true first impressions. Let's dig into this and see what we got to use for the month. So what we're going to use to open this package is going to be our Victorinox Swiss Army SD, this little mini Swiss Army knife. I did a review of it. I'll put a card up top. You can go check it out if you are interested. This little bad boy stays in my pocket all the time. So let's go with the little blade here and get into this package and see what we got. Set that to the side in case we need it. So first up, we have Iowa Beard Company. All right, Doug, thank you. Sorry for the delay. What do we have in here? All right, so we got some bubble wrap. Bubble wrapped. Is that everything? All right, that is everything. So let's get this bubble wrap undone if we can figure out where. Just rip it. Now, like I said, I have never used anything from Iowa Beard Company, so this will be a true first for me. So we're gonna see what all we got here and some real true first impressions. I just caught a whiff of something. Let's see. All right, so it looks like we have a beard butter and 3 beard oils. So we have the Prisoner. Check out that artwork and that label. Black matte bottle. That looks good. And we have the Hitchhiker. All right. And let's see. This does not give us scent profiles, so I do not know what scent profiles are. And Traveler. Man, that artwork, those labels, that is pretty awesome. And then we have Hitchhiker in the beard butter. What size is this? This is massive. 4-ounce beard butter. So let's get into this. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, that smells good. All right, so again, I didn't know what was coming, so I don't have scent profiles. So let's just go one at a time. Now, I did go to the website and just kind of peruse the website. These, if I'm not mistaken, are all pre-order. I will have it on the screen if I'm right or wrong, but I think they're all pre-order right now. So, got a golden color. Oh man, which one is this one? Traveler. That is coffee? Is that coffee I'm picking up in there? Let's go the Hitchhiker. Ooh, that's a kind of grapefruit or citrusy. And Prisoner. Ooh. That's tobacco. All right, so let's see what the ingredients are. Are the ingredients the same? Ingredients are the same. So we got jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, argan oil, vitamin E oil, castor oil, essential oil, and fragrance oil blend for your scent. These smell amazing. All right, so now I got to figure out how I'm gonna do update videos. We'll probably do one product each video. Let our butter stand alone instead of doing it with the coinciding Hitchhiker oil. We may do just this and then just this. That smells so good. All right, so the ingredients on the butter: mango butter, coconut oil, shea butter, jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, argan oil, vitamin E oil, essential, and fragrance oil blend for fragrance. I'm telling you, these smell amazing. They appear to be kind of a medium weight oil. I know it's got castor in it. Oh, they smell so good. I can't wait to get these in my beard. So October 1st, I'm gonna start using these products. So be watching for update videos throughout the month of October. We'll be talking about these. So stay tuned for that. And make sure to check out the other videos, Year of the Beard, if you haven't already. And until next time. stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.